play is titled I Got Rhythm. I Got Rhythm was composed by George Gershwin and lyrics written by Pierre Gershwin. It was published in 1930 and has since established itself as an iconic piece in the world of jazz music. George Gershwin, or Jacob Gershwin, on September 26, 1898, was an American composer and pianist. His works span popular, jazz, and classical genres, making him a versatile, influential figure in American music history. Our next piece will be the Peer Gynt Suite No. 1, Opus 46, composed by Edvard Agrah Grieg. Edvard Grieg was a Norwegian composer and pianist. He is widely considered one of the leading Romantic era composers, and his works included Norwegian folk music that helped to bring Norway's music to global fame.
Peer Gynt Suite No. 1, Opus 46 is a composition by Edvard Grieg that was extracted from the incidental music he wrote for Henrik Ibsen's play Peer Gynt. The suite, composed in 1874-75,